Hey creators, how you doing? My name is Arafat. In this video, I will show you how to make Photoshop more interesting and appealing. As a result, you will be able to concentrate more easily on your projects. Click on Photoshop icon. Open file location. Open required folder. Copy this UIColors.txt and save it on a safe place for safety, and minimize this folder for future use. Copy any of this color you like. Check out the description to get this UI color pack. Go back to required folder. Paste here that we copy. Delete the original one and rename this to UIColors.txt, same as like me, and hit enter. I put this text on the description. Check it out. And minimize this folder for future use. Open Photoshop. Boom! Now you can see it works. Everything now looks cool. Let's try another color. This time I will use pink. Delete this and rename it as before. Now open Photoshop. Nice! Everything looks good. If you face any problem using this, or you want to get back to the default theme as before, just copy this main UIColors.txt. Go to required folder. Delete this and paste it here. All done. In this way you can do this stuff easily. If you stuck on any point, or if you have any question or feedback, please comment below.